our last Supra giveaway, but apparently it didn't have enough power. So now we've got our biggest power Supra yet. We're not telling you how much. Let's go over the specs. When we mention big power, you know we're talking about the notorious 2JZ, and she's matched with a gigantic BorgWarner turbo, powered by a Link ECU, humongous intercooler, massive fuel system, all matched with a twin plate clutch and a TR6060 gearbox.
I cannot stop. That's from the box state to the east side to the coast.
So matched with that spicy power, we've got some spicy looks too. With that shiny, glossy, metallic-y, pyrite brown, some brand new work VSXX sitting on MCA suspension, and a rare bomber wang, and matched to the back of the turbo all the way through. We've got a 4-inch stainless exhaust.
What the spirit do, I'm seeing horror and you see a miracle.
So now it's time to jump on the website and find out how much power this Supra is putting down at the wheels. And while you're at the website, jump on our double entries because they're only there for a limited time. If you can see yourself taking home this beast, make sure you head to keepready.com right now.